Hi guys, so WebSummit is officially finished. So yesterday was a closing remarks and it's absolutely great. So this year WebSummit was even better than the last year. I'm still picking up the wonderful stories that I heard, the new ideas that I will implement in days and months to come in our company. So it was a really awesome conference, and I think that the next thing that we will go as a company will be probably Collision in Toronto to see what these guys from WebSummit are doing also there, and to meet new people, to talk about machine learning, and probably to see how it expands to the Canada when we talk about machine learning. And as you can see now, I'm now in Lisbon. I'm really enjoying the streets. So last year when I was here, I really love it. I actually know a lot of streets here, and it looks similar like in Silicon Valley, but sorry Silicon Valley guys, but I really love more Lisbon. So you can see that the streets are similar in terms that you are going really down, and you have hills, and you have trams, and they even have a similar bridge. So it's really similar, but it has the Europe's mojo. So you have a lot of history, and the food is really good. So sorry Silicon Valley, but Lisbon is more in my heart. So also because we didn't have a Q&A session this week, so I got a lot of questions from you about data science, machine learning, why we should use Python against R, and about automated feature engineering. So if we talk about feature engineering, when I was talking with Casey, with a lot of other people from machine learning field, I realized that automated feature engineering is a bullshit story. Why? For example, because analytics and statistics are the essential part of the machine learning modeling. So you need to understand the problem you want to resolve, and then use the features that will give you some insights from it. So if we talk about automated feature engineering, it's like you are a blind person, and then you want to make a cake. So in a cake you need 5 ingredients. So probably powder, sugar, and you need jelly. And then on the other hand, so if you do automated feature engineering, so how it will work is you are blind, and then you are getting your ingredients just being blind and getting in the cups. So at the end you will get some output, but it will be shit. So that's really important. So that's the reason why that is not a good approach. So, and on the other hand, when we talk about artificial intelligence, at this point there are not real artificial intelligence projects. Why? Because the computing power isn't still there. So our computers cannot do a lot of stuff that we actually want with artificial intelligence.
I don't know how you feel about
but probably, I think so, in 5 to 10 years, we will have the first projects when we talk about artificial intelligence. But before that, we need to talk about artificial intelligence. We need to make regulations about that. Why? Because integrity and ethics are really important in this field, because when you're doing machine learning, you are actually touching more than millions of people and their lives. So you have to be really careful with that. So to sum up, automated feature engineering is bullshit. They are not still they are not artificial intelligence big projects, because our computers and our computing power isn't still there, but it will be for sure. And you know, I'll be in the first field to do actually that, because why? Because I really loving it in machine learning and artificial intelligence. And also, if you were not on this Web Summit this year, you should come next year. Why? Because you have to be on the top of your competitors. You have to be on top when we talk about knowledge. Only that way you will be an expert in this field, because yes, you can learn a lot of online and you can sit down in your office and do that. But on the other hand, when you are going to these kind of conferences, you can ask people who know more than you and ask them how they are doing and implementing that in their companies. So you should use conferences for that. And Web Summit is something that will help you leverage your business, that will help you leverage your knowledge when we talk about machine learning and data science. So that's a wrap up from today, and see you tomorrow, because tomorrow I'll be in Vienna. So my schedule is these days it's pretty much chaotic, but you can still see that I'm still happy. So I'm really enjoying in doing this and helping more businesses implement machine learning in their core business. So see you tomorrow, and bye.